Hi, friends, and welcome to Teach Back Friday. You're going to be teaching us back your lessons that you've been learning this week, utilizing the skills that you're most comfortable with. So, remembering today you're learning how to determine if an equation is addition or subtraction and what that means for solving the said equation. Why you're learning this is so that you can determine if an equation is addition or subtraction so that you know what that means for solving this equation. And you will know that can do this and you can properly add or subtract by identifying the mathematical symbol and explaining the process to solve each equation. Remembering we had 3 steps for success criteria this week. Number 1 was you were circling the mathematical symbol and then creating your up or down arrow signifying if it was addition or subtraction so you knew that your answer needed to go up or down. You picked the model strategy that you were most comfortable with. So you could use counters, number lines, counting on, Xing out, whichever you chose was completely fine. You just needed to make sure that you continued to show your work and your thinking process. And lastly, when you solve the equation, you read it back using the number sentence, and then you explain how you know that that answer is correct. So I'm going to do one here with you today. 21 minus 14. So I was going to use the number line, of course, so I would start at 21, circle 21 so that I knew where I started. Then I'm going to count back my 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And as you can see, I stopped at the 7, so I would put here 7. So 21 minus 14 equals 7. And if I wanted to check my answer, which we knew we can, we're going to take and put 14 plus 7 more. So we're going to go 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And you added a total of 7 using your fingers plus the 14, and you did stop at 21. So that was the way to check your answer. Okay, friends, remember you can use this number line. You can use your counters and count back. You can do Xing out, whichever model that you are most comfortable with. Make sure you show it to your teacher. Make sure you have the camera down so we can see your work the whole time that you are doing your teach back lesson. Show us all your steps. Make sure you do everything. Again, I just showed you that there was 21. I started, subtracted 14. I stopped at 7. So 21 minus 14 is the same as 7. And then I went back and I rechecked my answer by taking 14 and I counted on 7 more. So I know my number is correct because I end up with these 3 numbers and I have a subtraction symbol and 7 is smaller than 21. So all of those things, checking my answers to make sure they make sense. Good luck, my friends, and have a great day.